for us to design this sticker, we are going to open a new document and we'll use the dimension 4 by 4 4 inches in width, 4 inches in height, 300 resolution, RGB transparent. We're going to use this image that I gave you all to download. You just drag it in here and place it. Enter to accept the change, and we're going to draw the ellipse tool. So let's look at this again. There's a circle and another circle, and this Adora world. Like I said in the previous videos, this Adora world can be done ordinarily with the text tool, that's create work text, but you can use the pen tool alongside the text tool to achieve it. So we're going to choose one of the two methods. We'll use the create work text. Okay, so this circle is already there. I'm going to try to do another ellipse tool, and I told you that if you want to draw a perfect circle, you should hold down shift as you begin to draw. Hold down shift on your keyboard and draw a perfect circle. So I'm going to draw that out. I'll hold down space in order to move it around. Hold down space in order to move it around, and then I'll release it. Okay, let's look at the design again. It comes down. This makeup picture is actually rotated, so that's where the free transform comes in. So I'm going to try to rotate it such that this lipstick is standing straight. I'll use the move tool, click on the design itself and rotate it. Rotate it so that it stands straight. Then I'm going to increase the size of this, Alt and Shift on your keyboard, and then drag. Okay, I'm going to move it a little bit to cover. I'm going to increase it a little bit more, Alt and Shift on your keyboard.